All right, all right. We got about 10 minutes here for the market open. So far, we're still above VWAP, but things drifting down here. Gold drifting down here, and the Nasdaq there. All right, so gold still drifting down. We got Nasdaq just really pretty much been ranging. Looks like it may want to pop up if we could hold above that VWAP down at 24,138.50s. Right, we'll still be looking for those lows, just for a retrace pretty much, because yesterday was a hell of a drop. Hell of a drop. Still dropping here. Now, if we take out that VWAP, man, we're going to definitely be looking for these shorts. Let me see here. Also, we did hit our target there yesterday. Looks like real close, and then yesterday pretty much finished it out there. Down to that 24,000 on Nasdaq. Had about 1,000-point move yesterday. That was crazy. Gold still ranging pretty much. Let's do a quick analysis here. Also, we did get we passed another eval last night, so we'll be waiting for that activation here. I mean, and yesterday was so crazy, man. Yesterday was hella crazy, man. I mean, 1,000-point rip down. I mean, crazy entry opportunities there as well, man. Let's take a look here. And we hit the target here. So this is where we were going for. And so possibly back up to 24,375 maybe, right? 376, 400 area, right? But if we start dipping back below that 24,000, man, hey. So it could be, especially after a 1,000 point day. I mean, you could get like a range day, but it's also Friday. So Fridays. So dependent, man. Like really, if we get some up past this area here, we could be seeing this 24,431, right? I mean, it's gonna be crazy regardless. That's what I'm saying, right? It's gonna be crazy regardless. Got about 4 minutes here. So we got about 3 minutes here. We got 8:45 major news and 9 o'clock major news there. We have S&P Services PMI flash, and then the manufacturing PMI, all of that there at 8:45 Central. And then looks like 9 o'clock, University of Michigan. They're coming out with their final sentiment there. Those are the main red folders there for the day. And then the crazy thing about it, like I was mentioning, that one day could make your day, your month, your week, and things like that. I mean, yesterday was that day. I mean, it's a one contract, $20,000 day here, right? Major amounts of money there could be made yesterday. Major, right? All right, so let's get to it here. Got about a minute till open. So I'm looking at gold. Gold now back below VWAP. $30 seconds here. Here we go, baby. All right, here we go. Gold down here. Could be seeing that next. Could be seeing the next standard deviation. Here we go, getting that pop up here. Here we go, baby. Looking at 300s now. And could start scaling out here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There we go. There we go. All right. Literally right in a minute. In a minute, still got the push up here. I'm gonna see if we can get out of value. That was a hell of a move right there. That was a great move. See if we can get a little more here. Still waiting patiently. In 1 minute right there, man. 100 points. $100 in a minute, then we're back down. See if we get another opportunity here. I'll get in some shorts here. All right. Here we go. Flipping back long here. There we go. Didn't break here for the shorts. Thought we'll test that VWAP, but here we go for the longs. See if we can get that bust through the high. Up past 280. And kind of choppy. Chopping all inside that 1 minute. Gold looks like it's to be the play. All right. Gold looks like it's more smooth here. The chop is real, man. It's chopping in that 1 minute. See if we can get some on gold here. Look at that, all in 1 minute, man. It's just chopping in that 1 minute. Gold pulling back here. So we're still in that 1 minute 100 point range candle. All right, it's just chopping back and forth in 1 minute, man. All right, 1 minute 100 points.
Manufacturing forecast 52, prior 52 spot 5, with a range of 52 spot 8 to 51 spot 5. Services forecast 54 spot 6, prior 54 spot 8, with a range of 55 spot 1 to 54. Composite forecast 54 spot 5, prior 54 spot 6.
All right, looks like we still want to push down. We want to see if we can take out that VWAP down there, right? That 24,150, if we could hold that or break it, right? That's what I'm pretty much looking for. Gold here. All right, gold looks like back in play. Gold wants to be back in play. Let's see if we could break that low. But that is a major chop in that Nasdaq, man. These are 100 point 1 minute candles, man. Right? 1 minute candles, 100 points. All right. See if we can get that rip down. Looks like 4. There we go. Major number there at 40.61. Somebody's accumulating down there. See if they could rip it or not. All right, there it is. They held it again. So Nasdaq is holding. Looks like they want to hold it to get to that next level up there at 400 probably. All right, so Nasdaq looks like we want to be pushing out of value. We're gonna see if we can get some nice moves here. Still chopping though. Still chopping around. We gotta get above that 280, preferably 24,300, man. All right. Back down there. We're still in that 100 point range. Still in there. Back down. Back down here on Nasdaq. This is where you call, this is where it takes everybody money, really. This is money taking time, and because you did 1 minute, 100 points in 1 minute, right? Then it literally just barcodes, literally. All right, so we're gonna see if we can break that 150. But that's literally take your money, right? Time to definitely be careful. You want to wait for clear breaks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 candles in the same range. Pretty much 800 points. Really, pretty much. All right. All right, looks like we're breaking down. See if we can break that VWAP. We want to be safe down here.
So around in 5 minutes time, we have the US.
And the way I look at it, especially after yesterday, right? After yesterday, you get that huge move.
With a range of 52.8 to 51.5. Services forecast 54.6, prior 54.8 with a range
We could be going back down to that 24,000.
54.5, prior 54.6.
Dangerous times here. Back up here. Back up. If we could break this, pretty much this trend here, right, and get out of value, right, that's what I'll be looking for here. See if we can bust through here. For the short side, if we could bust that 150 down there at the VWAP. So I pretty much want to get out of value now. And we have news in about 3 minutes. And we're back down. Back down. Literally barcoding in 100-point range, man. So the best thing to do now is wait for those clear breaks, all right? You definitely want to just wait for the clear break. Gold is doing the same thing, barcoding pretty much. All right, gold is dropping back down here.
I'll be needing US manufacturing peer line.
Ugly, ugly open so far. So we're waiting for clear breakouts out of here. All right, news coming out here. 3, 2, 1. And then we have another bid in about 15 minutes. If we break that VWAP down there, I'm gonna be looking for shorts.
The S&P closing flash November composite output index ticked up 0.2 points to 54.8. Data released Friday showed figures above the PPK expansion. The sales index also rose to a 4-month high, while manufacturing growth slowed.
Here we go. All right, Nasdaq in play. See if we can break out a value there at 120s. There we go. So we're looking down to the pretty much that 2470 will be the first area. And I'm gonna be looking to see if we can take that 24,000, make sure we could hold outside of that value area at 120. Back in value. See if we go 150. If not, we want to get out. There it is, back in. Hit value area low and just came back in, man. Crazy, crazy chop day. This is how they take money right here. Get a chop and then this. Back in there, man. Came out of value, right back in. All right, so that was pretty much a value play. All right, value area low buy play.
Just to reiterate, US listed shares
The play there was buying that out of value tip out, right? Still want to see if we can break that value area low. Back in this chop zone, right? If we're gonna look for loans, I still want to see it break value area high. Right back out of there. All right. So it's pretty much taking money, man. This is how they make money. All right. When it trends so smoothly like yesterday, they pretty much have to chop it in a sense because It's like they need to get your money back, or they need to make money. And the way they make money is somebody has to lose money, right? So they chop it like this.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we had the University of Michigan data. Sentiment forecast 50 spot 6, higher 50 spot 3, with a range of 52 spot 3 to 49. 5-year inflation forecast 3 spot.
So we're looking for this break here.
1-year inflation forecast 4.7%, unchanged.
Gold's ripping back up here.
Higher 49, conditions declining higher 52 spot 3.
Approaching a pivot up there at 40.73. All right, buyers just came in. Big buyers came back in here. We're gonna see. Nope, rip back down. Uh-oh. All right. All right. Good, get that stop below 150. Still want to see that clean break, right? This is National Chop Day. All right, here we go. All right, holding. If we could hold over that 200, man. Still want to see that clean break to add. See if we can get that break over that 150, 160 area. Really, it's still that 180 though. We want that clean break over there. All right, here we go. We're in play. Stops are tight there, right at 230, 240.
2% in October 2025.
Here we go. We're looking for 300s. All right, testing the February high. Here we go.
Investments are forecast 50 spot 6, prior 50 spot 3, with a range of 52 spot 3 to 49. 5-year inflation forecast 3.6%, unchanged from the prior. 1-year inflation forecast 4.7%, unchanged from the prior. Expectations final prior 49, conditions final prior 52.3. The Nasdaq 100 rebounds to a session high, up 0.7%.
Pretty much got to that 300. Not quite 299. And we're back in. Back to about 280, 298. And back all the way in. Look at that. It's chop day. This is take your money day, man. So you have to be quick. When I started learning about breakouts, you got to play top stops quick, right? Then you want to be real quick. We come all the way back in 100 points, man. Over 100 points in a minute. And this what I used to always think. Like, I would think that the U.S. session would always give me nice moves for some reason, right? And the first few days I traded it, that was years ago, but when I first started, man, then I would trade the U.S. session and see this, it kind of confused the shit out of me. I was like, why the fuck is it chopping so badly, right? And then I got to looking and doing a little research, and then it just made sense for me specifically. It's just after big range days, right? Those 1,000-point moves, 1,000-point move has to take money back, right? Or they have to reposition themselves, right? It's just crazy, man. It's crazy, right? Even you gotta be so cold at following your plan, really. Best move so far, though, really was that long off of February low. That was really, really the best move so far. Then to see that next 5, that sucker just tanks all the way back. Got news coming out in a minute. 1 minute.
Seconds.
All right, 10 seconds to the news here.
$51, higher than
go. Let's see if we can get out these ranges here. This range here. We want to break back to the upside over threes or back out of value, or if we break value very low. So we're just waiting to see. This has definitely been great gold ripping up.
US stocks indexes extend gains slightly after the University of Michigan's final November consumer sentiment report.
Here we go. Back at value very low. Value very low. We want to see clean breaks here. Here we go.
The Nasdaq 100 down 0.1% to a session low.
All right, so we did get some nice clean moves there. That nice dump there on Nasdaq finally with that news release here. See if we can get some further push down, but we did secure some profits there. And I'm gonna call it a day. Do some reflection on some things we messed up on, could have done better. And just always improving, man. Definitely. But definitely overall a great day, great session. If you like this type of content, definitely be sure to like, subscribe to the video and the channel. And we will see you all Monday. Pretty much Sunday, Asian session, and we'll be getting back to it. Stay blessed, stay profitable, and enjoy your weekend.
G20 says they are to protect critical minerals against unilateral trade curves.
Well, hello everybody, this is Dodo J Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Okay.